Today we're going to talk about the pursuit of knowledge is. It asks how we know things. Knowledge is like a tree. Roots are perception. Branches are reasoning. Some trust only their senses. Others rely on pure logic. Descartes doubted everything, except his own thinking. Locke said knowledge comes from experience alone. Plato believed in ideals beyond our physical world. Now imagine this debate. Plato: truth exists eternally. Aristotle: only through observation. Plato: the cave shows illusions. Aristotle: nature reveals reality. Plato: mathematics proves forms. Aristotle: biology shows substance.